A little more than a year ago we had a very destructive fire that destroyed our workshop with the Nashorn inside it. In this video a little tour around and inside the Nashorn to show you where we are today. Here you see the massive KWK-43 gun that soon will be placed back in its rightful place. What do you guys know about the bright red paint around grease nipples? Was this red paint common during the war times or just something from post-war? Let us know in the comments. The fuel tank is almost ready to get installed. We only need to clean the inside with electrolysis. The newly made filler nozzle will be in one of the original openings for the fuel in the floor. The spare wheels donated by the Wheeled Foundation are almost ready to be put back in position after conservation. Safety covers for both drive shafts as well as the coupler between the gearbox and the steering diff still need to be made from scratch. The seats will be made later this year, so temporarily wooden one needs to do till then. Sticks need grips and the top of the gear shift housing needs to be finished. Also we need the gear shift knob. The engine shutdown needs to be made and installed as well as an idle adjuster. Batteries are fully installed. The brackets in the back are for the fuel tank. The engine is an aftermarket 1970s Deutz FL12 A13 V12 diesel engine with an ZF AK6 75 gearbox from the same manufacturer as the original gearbox. Here I'm standing on the floor support of the fighting compartment. The generator is ready to be installed. To tension the tracks, you loosen this nut and use this lever to disengage the gears. And this is the original wrench to tension the tracks. Hope to see you all at Millitrax 2020 in September. Link is in the description.